Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Super Simple Saturday. I have got a fabulous 4-ingredient recipe for you that is going to be perfect for Father's Day. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, and you love super simple recipes, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. Okay, so this is not as simple as I thought it was going to be. It's still really easy, but here's the deal. I don't normally grill. I let my husband do that, and he picks out the meat. So I don't know if these are baby back ribs. They just said back ribs on them when I pulled them out of the deep freezer to de-thaw them. So he normally takes off. I know you're supposed to take like this membrane off on the back of here. So, and I should have had him do it for me, but he is gone right now. So you can see I just made a mess of these. Look at that. I'm trying to cut this stuff off of here. Several people told me you just pull it right off, but that wasn't happening. It was so thin. So I really don't know I'll need one of you barbecue guys that I'm friends with to tell me what to do with these. But anyway, we're going to put these in our pressure cooker. So I am just cutting these up into 4 pieces with that membrane on there. Just so they will fit down into our pressure cooker. And then I've got some barbecue rub here. So this is our Pampered Chef Smoky Apple Barbecue Rub, I believe. You can make your own or use whatever you have on hand. I just want to make sure I get both sides really good. So I'm going to flip these over. Make sure it's rubbed in really good. All right, those look good. Okay, so I'm going to push this out of the way. And I am going to grab my pressure cooker. And then I'm going to go ahead and toss my ribs down in here. And then we're going to need 6 ounces of root beer. So these are going to be root beer ribs. It's going to go. It never fails. Like, I don't shake these up or anything, but someone else could open this and it wouldn't go all over the place. But if I open it, it's going everywhere. All right, let's see here. A little bit extra. And then we're just going to pour this over the top. All right, then we're just going to replace our lid. And my pressure cooker has a pork setting on it, so that's what I'm going to put it on. I believe it's like 20 minutes or so. So with the time that it takes to build the pressure, it'll be about 30 minutes all in all. All right, our ribs should be finished. Ooh, that steam. All right, so at this point, I'm going to take my ribs out. And then we want to reserve about a cup of the liquid that we have in here. Ooh, let's see, how much do we have in here? I'm going to eyeball it. I'm going to say that is about a cup. Okay, so we're going to add to that our barbecue sauce. So it's 1 cup of the reserved juices and then 1 cup of barbecue sauce. And then I'm just going to stir this up and set my pressure cooker to sear. Oh, I'll have to turn it back on. Anyway, we're going to turn this on to sear and then we're going to bring this up to a boil and let it cook for about 5 minutes until it thickens up. All right, I think that looks good. It's thickened up quite a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and push this aside, grab my pot holder. We'll set this here. Move this over here just a little bit and grab our ribs. And so I'm just going to take this sauce and just brush it over the top of the ribs. Let's see if you guys can see here. I'm kind of messy with these. All right, last one. I always say I feel like a painter when I got out my basting brush. A painter of the meat. All right, so there's quite a bit of sauce left over here. You could, brush these again, or you can serve it on the side. I think we should give these a try and see how well I did. Those are really good. I don't know that you can taste the you can taste barbecue, obviously. But the root beer, I don't really get root beer when I bite into them. I mean, I guess it's there on some level, but I don't think you would recognize it right away. But they're definitely sweet and tangy. I like them. And they're tender, too. I mean, just about any time you cook anything in a pressure cooker, it is tender. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make these for your father or your husband for Father's Day. I think they'll appreciate it. They are pretty good. I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.